So we have to find out the tangible assets over here. So first one is plant and machinery, second is building, and the third is furniture and fixture. We have three fixed assets, so you have to calculate depreciation on these three assets. So you can find the percentage in your adjustment. As we have discussed, the furniture fixture is how much percentage are there? 10% you have to calculate. Plant and machinery 20% and building 10%. Only plant and machinery 20% and furniture and fixtures and building is 10%. Okay. So just calculate it. Plant and machinery 1,50,000. Just less 20. Just calculate 20% on it. Everyone, just calculate. Your plant and machinery is how much? 1,50,000. So you have to calculate 20% on it. So 10% is my 15,000 and 20% is my
30,000.
Yes, 30,000. So on plant depreciation on plant and machinery is 30,000. Okay. And next is building. So you have to calculate it 10%. So 2,50,000 multiply by 10%, that you will get your 25,000. For 10% you can less 1 0. Okay. And after that for furniture and fixture it's for 45,000. So you have to calculate 10% it. So you will get 4,000. And clear everyone? Your plant and machinery amount is 1,50,000. You have to calculate 20% on it. So you will get your 30,000 amount as a depreciation on plant and machinery. You have building of rupees 2,50,000. You have to calculate depreciation 10% on it. So 2,50,000 multiplied by 10%, you will get your 25,000. After that, you have last furniture and fitting. You are having 45,000 like amount of rupees for 45,000. So you have to calculate 45,000 10%. So you will get 4,500. So you have to calculate three of this. First is plant and machinery 30,000 and building 25,000 and furniture and fitting 4,500. So total depreciation will be, you will get 59,500. आप लोग टोटल कर रहे हो क्या?
Yes.
करो जरा एक बार, कितना आता है? 59,500 आ रहा है.
Yes.
So आप लोगों को डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करने आ रहा है ना? Okay. So for 59,000 is your depreciation amount. So here you can say that this is the first effect you have to give in P&L statement. This is the P&L statement. You can see depreciation, third last item, depreciation and amortization. So we have written 59,500 as a 4,500 for plant and machine, furniture and fixture, 30,000 for plant and machinery, and 25,000 for building. So third total of 3 is 59,500. This is the first effect. You have to give second effect of this. So just do the, you have to do is gross tangible asset minus depreciation amount. So you will get your net block. So I have given the first effect over here, that is 59,500. You have to give second adjustment in balance sheet asset side. So this is the tangible assets. So I have taken 3,85,500 directly, because over here you can write the total also, like that is plant and machinery 1,50,000. Okay. Plant and machinery 1,50,000 है, and दूसरा क्या था? Building how much? 2,50,000. So you will get 4 lakh over here, and और क्या था? Furniture and fixture कितना था? For 45,000. So तीनों का टोटल अगर आप कर रहे हो
4,45,000.
4,45,000 आएगा. So 4,45,000 में से आपको क्या करना है? ये माइनस करना था 59,500. depreciation ka amount. So you will get your net block amount over here. So this is 3,85,500. Clear everyone?
500. Hmm.
So I have given you the second adjustment of this. First effect will go to the P&L account. You have to write depreciation and amortization section. Second you have to do is you have to less from your tangible asset. Clear? Okay, we'll see the next adjustment will solve. So fourth adjustment is salary plus outstanding salary you have to do. So just check it how much salary you have given. So you will get in your this amount. This in trial balance only you will get
1,37,550.
salary amount will be your how much? Last amount
1,37,550.
1,37,550. It's your salary amount. Okay.
Yeah.
How much outstanding are there? You have to see the adjustment. See, salary amount 12,450 is outstanding. So here you have your salary is 1,37,000. How much? 1,37,550 na? 1,37,550. Your last you can see over here. Salary is 1,37,550 rupees is your salary, and adjustment is saying that its salary is outstanding on the fourth adjustment. How much amount are outstanding? 12,450. You have to add in your salary account. Clear? Because 12,450 is outstanding. That means you have to pay in future. Clear? So you have to add in salary account. So outstanding always add in your
150.
salary. That you will get your 1,50,000 is your salary. So salary will go to employee benefit. This is the profit and loss account. Here you can say the employee benefit expenses. Here I have taken employee benefit expenses as a 2 lakh rupees as the outside. But you can see in the inner side I have given the calculation also. 1,37,550 is your salary and 12,450 is your outstanding salary. So you have to add. Again I have added the 50,000 also. So you will get your 2 lakh. So what is 50,000? So 50,000 is your benefit, is employee benefit, that is wages. You can say top 5. In the trial balance on the debit side, top 5. 50,000, it's a wages. So wages also it's an employee benefit. Okay. So here you have to add. Your salary will be 1,50,000 plus 50,000 is your wages. So total employee benefit will go to 2 lakh rupees. Clear everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. So here you have to give the second effect of fourth adjustment. This is outstanding salary 12,450. So you have to give second adjustment also. Second effect also. First effect what you have done? You have added in salary account.
Salary.
It's outstanding. But second effect what you have to do is 12,450 is you have to
Liability.
other current liability in the balance sheet liability side. So this is the P&L. This is the balance sheet. So balance sheet का ये asset side है. This is the liability side you can see. So here you have to write this other current liability. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी यहाँ पे आप लोग बोलोगे कि अदर करंट लाइबिलिटी पे माय सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग वाज हाउ मच? माय सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग वाज 12,450 ओनली. My salary outstanding was 12,450 only. So, but I have taken other current liabilities, that is 13,250. That is 800 I have taken extra over here. So you have to check whether outstanding are there or not. Extra outstanding over there, because in outstanding salary I have taken. But there is a outstanding of other expenses also. Okay. So we have to check over there. We'll see afterwards that. Okay, we have to do is adjustment. We have done with this. Okay, we have done this. Trade receivable and trade payable. We have done this. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone is clear this. So now we have done with adjustment. Now we have to solve the this what we call the trial balance. We have to do the trial balance one by one. Okay, we have done with adjustment. So what you have to do is first is opening stock. We have done with this opening stock. We have done in statement of P&L, changes in inventory, opening minus closing. We have done. Okay. Second, plant and machinery. We have done also this. We have less the depreciation also, and we have directly written in tangible asset side. Sales return. Okay, nahi. Sales return baki hai. So here you can say the opposite side on the line of sales return. You will get your sales amount. How much sales is there? 9,60,000. As I told you, this this sales will go to revenue from your operation in the P&L statement. Profit and loss account statement are there. Okay, clear everyone? Revenue from operation, first head. So here you have to do is sales minus sales return. You have to do is your sales amount will be 9,60,000. Can you see, guys? 9,60,000 sales amount.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so 9,60,000 you have to deduct your sales return amount, that is 80,000 in the same line.
80,000.
So you have to less over here. So you will get 8,80,000, 9,60,000
80.
minus 8,80,000. You will get your 8,80,000. So 8,80,000 you have to write in revenue from operation in the P&L statement. This is the calculation adjustment now. This is the statement of P&L. So first line, revenue from operation. Your sales amount is 9,60,000 minus 80,000. That is your sales return. So you will get your 8,80,000. Clear, everyone? ज्यादा फास्ट तो नहीं जा रहा है ना? हेलो,
No, ma'am.
समझ रहा है ना
Yes.
सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll go next. So here you can see we have done with opening stock, we have done with plant and machinery, sales return भी हो गया. We have done with building also. हम लोग ने depreciation calculate किया. We have calculated the depreciation. We have take this
Yeah.
wages to employee benefit expenses. Now we have to do is purchase.
Yes.
Here you can say that purchase is how much? 6,64,000. Can you see? 6,64,000. But over here you can see like in the credit side you will find the purchase return also. So your purchase is 6,64,000 and your purchase return is 84,000. So here you have to deduct this 6,64,000 minus purchase returns 84,000. This purchase will go to statement to P&L account. Statement to P&L.
Alag 80,000.
Yes, there is a separate purchase of stock is there. Here you can see 5 lakhs. बरोबर है ना amount? Here everyone, your purchase amount is 5,61,594. You have to less 84,000. You will get 4,77,594. Clear, everyone? So you have to remember that if you have made a purchases and if you have made a return also, if you have returned the goods also, so you have to less over here. Purchase minus purchase return, sales minus sales return. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Revenue from operation, you have to do sales minus sales return. But in the expenses head, purchase of stock, you can write purchase minus purchase return. So you will get
Okay,
your
sir.
net purchases. Clear, everyone? किसी को कुछ डाउट है इधर अभी तक? We have done with adjustment and we have solved the half trial balance. We have posted the entries also. Anyone has any doubt in this? Clear है ना?
परचेज का एक बार फिर से बताना.
Okay. So in the debit side, you find that your purchase amount is, I have written the wrongly over here.
6164.
Sorry, I have written in the wrongly over here.
Okay. हाँ.
इसके लिए आपको कंफ्यूजन हुआ रहेगा. परचेज
Yeah.
अमाउंट अगर उसको आप कैलकुलेशन करके आप उसको 5,61,594 करो.
Okay.
Okay. So यहाँ पे आप 5,61,594 करोगे. So after that you have to less 84,000 from purchase return. So you will get your amount. Okay. ये थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन में प्रॉब्लम है. क्लियर हो गया? After that you have to is carriage inward. We have discussed it will go to other expenses. So you have to total everything. For other expenses there is the head, so it will go to बहुत सारा है इसमें देख सकते हो आप. Carriage inward, rate and rate taxes. You have to add in other expenses. Clear everyone? So just find out the just total it for other expenses. Just take a calci. Carriage inward 27,800. Rate and taxes 12,000. It will go to other expenses also. Sundry creditor we have done. Interest on bank loan. It will go to finance cost as I told you. Interest finance cost में जाएगा. We'll hold this. We are calculating the other expenses का total. So we have to calculate advertisement expenses 24,000. See, we have taken carriage inward as a other expenses, rent and taxes as a other expenses, and other advertisement 24,000 as a other expenses. You have to take bad debts also as a 2,000 rupees. Okay. After that, you have to add discount allow also 4050. As we have discussed that how much discount you are allowing to your customers and how much you have received your discount from your supplier, you have to adjust internally. Remember my point. In the last lecture we have discussed in the company what they do, how much they are allowing to your their customers. You have to less how much they are receiving from their suppliers. So in this case you can say that 4050 you are allowing to your customers and 2,800 you are receiving from their suppliers. So you have to give the net effect over here. Clear everyone? Next is investment. You have to write in long-term investment in the asset side. Okay, do one thing. We'll see one by one. We have see कहाँ से हम लोग कर रहे थे. यहाँ से carriage inward से we are counting. कैल्सी में आप लोग कर रहे हो टोटल मेरे साथ?
Yes, ma'am.
यस करो जरा कैल्सी पे. कैरेज इनवर्ड का अमाउंट लो 27,800 का टोटल. रेंट एंड टैक्सेस का टोटल लो, उसमें ऐड करो. एडवर्टाइजमेंट का टोटल का एक्सपेंसेस ऐड करेंगे, उसमें बैड डेट ऐड होगा. डिस्काउंट अलाउ ऐड करो 4050. फिर ऑडिट फीस ऐड करो 5,400. इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम ऐड होगा 2,400. ऐड कर रहे हो ना?
Yes.
ओके. फिर उसके बाद ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस ऐड करो 2,200. क्लियर? उसके बाद आप लास्ट में से आफ्टर दैट टोटलिंग ऑफ दिस अदर एक्सपेंसेस यू जस्ट डिडक्ट डिस्काउंट रिसीव 2,800. एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू हैव टू डिडक्ट दिस फ्रॉम डिस्काउंट अलाउड. You can add on this other expenses ka total. After that you can less from this discount received 2,800. So how much other expenses you are getting? Let me know. And we have two more things to add in this. What was that? This was adjustment. Last adjustment, fifth adjustment. We have provided 2% discount on debtors. Second effect baki hai iska. And we have created a provision for discount on doubtful debt. We have created 5%. So I told you in that time, like you have to do the second effect will go to other expenses head. Remember? The amount is here, you can find this over here. So this is the amount you can see. अदर टोटल का जो आपने टोटल मारा है उसमें आपको ये दो चीजें ऐड करनी. यू हैव टू ऐड 11,850 मोर एंड डिस्काउंट टू डेटर्स 4,503 rupees. You have to add this also. Clear? So now how much you are getting in other expenses? Just let me know. कितना आ रहा है? क्लियर हो रहा है क्या? अमाउंट आया सबको? हेलो, क्लियर हो रहा है आपको? सबको टोटल आया क्या अदर एक्सपेंसेस का? एवरीवन गॉट द टोटल 93,403? नो?
Calculate.
Okay, we'll total you once. We'll show you the other expenses, how to you have to add other expenses. दिख रहा है ना आप लोग को स्क्रीन मेरा? Okay, so one by one you have to add. First is carriage inward, so you have to add the carriage inward. How much amount is this? 27,800. Carriage inward how much? 27,800. दिख रहा है इतना? Okay. Next is rent and taxes. Rent and taxes. How much? 12,000.
12,000.
Okay. After that, debtor we have done. Interest on bank loan, it will go to finance cost. Next is advertisement expenses.
24,000.
Okay, advertisement. How much advertisement expenses is there?
24,000.
24,000. Okay, so it will write over here. Next is bad debt. Bad debt will come over here only. How much bad debt is there? 2,000 rupees. So you have to add 2,000 rupees. Okay. Next is cash at bank. It will go to your asset side, cash and cash equivalent. As I told you, this is the discount allowed. You have to here only write discount out. How much discount you have allowed to your debtors? 4,050. Clear this one. Okay. Next is investment. It will go to your long-term investment in asset side. Okay. After that, furniture and fitting we have done in tangible asset. After that, audit fees. So you have to write here audit fees. How much audit fees are there? 5,400. So 5,000. And next is insurance premium. It will come over here only. Insurance premium. How much insurance premium is there? 2,400. Clear this one? Next is traveling expenses.
2,200.
3,200.
2,000.
2,000.
Okay, 2,200. Done with this. Okay, as I told you, after adding this, you have to less your discount receive. How much discount you have received? 2,800. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को?
800.
Yes. So you have to less over here. Oh, sorry. यहाँ पे हम लोग को less करना है. After that, as I told you, you have to add two more things over here. What was that? Discount to the debtors. 2%. 4503. From where you will get this? Oh, 1 second. You will get over here. Oh. Here. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? लास्ट इन द फिफ्थ एडजस्टमेंट डेटर 11,850 एंड डिस्काउंट 4503 दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? 4503 डिस्काउंट है और 11,800 है. जस्ट होल्ड. हेलो, क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. क्या था वो? 4503 हमने ऐड किया. एंड वन मोर थिंग यू हैव टू ऐड, दैट इज RDD. हाउ मच अमाउंट वाज दैट? 11,850. क्लियर हो गया आप लोगों को?
Yes.
यहाँ पे आपको टोटल मारना है कैलसी पे. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? इसका टोटल मारो. इट विल टोटल ऑफ अदर एक्सपेंसेस. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? सो यू विल गेट योर अदर एक्सपेंसेस का टोटल. That is 93,403 in second last. Adjust statement of P&L account. In second last, you will get this 93,403 after deducting discount receive amount from discount allowed. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see the next quiz tomorrow. Just remember this, all these things. Just revise this, all these things. Or you can see the next video also. यही वीडियो मैं अपलोड करने वाली हूँ. तो आप लोग ये रिवाइज करना ये वीडियो. तो आप लोग को याद रहेगा, अदरवाइज भूल जाओगे आप लोग. ये कंपनी फाइनल अकाउंट क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
ओके, विल डू नेक्स्ट टुमारो.